Alright everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to basically purchase Italian rod on margin trade. Now if you're using the CX.io application, you basically don't know how to trade the Italian rod magic on your CX.io, then you can basically start watching this video to understand how to basically do this right now. The first important thing that you need to do is to download the application. I'll provide the link of the application for you all. Once you have the application downloaded successfully, the next thing you basically need to focus on is for you to focus on how to trade these. All right, now there are opportunities for you to basically make money from there, and there's a post on the CX.io official channel which you can basically see. All right, you can build your own portfolio right over here, load up with up to 10x leverage, focus on the upward movement, only positive vibes. So what I'm going to share with you guys right now is just the simple steps you can apply to your own account and also start making use of it. Now this is available on the CX.io, and you have up to 10x leverage for you to actually maximize your profit. So this is what you're going to be doing. First of all, you come to your CX.io app right over here, get to open it up, and then it's going to open up to your own account for you. All right, now once it's automatically open up to your account, what you need to do next is for you to go over to the section where you can see trade. All right, now the trading section is provided right here, and then you can see where they say margin trade. With the margin trade, you're going to be noticing we have over 10x attached to it. All right, now on this spot you can basically search for any of these particular cryptocurrency you're looking for. This is Italian rod, which you can basically see right here. You can see long only mode, so you can basically long it right from here, and you can see it's up 1.26%. all right, so this is up 1.26%. This unit is actually up over 19%, and this one is up over 3%. All right, now you can see right here a lot of opportunities are provided, right? And the fun part about this is you can also get to click on this to add it to your favorite. So once you click on it right over here, it's going to actually show up on your space. Then what you're going to be doing next is that you have to select the wallet that you have your funds inside. If you have funds on BTC, if you have funds on Ethereum or USDT, you can basically use any of that. And if you don't have funds, you can click on this icon right over here to add up funds. All right, so this is one thing you can easily do. Just top up your account, or you can use the crypto top up section, which you can basically click right here, and they get to provide you all the crypto method which you can use to top up your account. Now once you're able to top up your account, you can come over here and then long. All right, now the long section is provided. Also you can view the chart history from this spot right over here. All right, now this is how to basically like go through it, and you can view the chart history right from here. This also has good potentials of longing, and we also have a week right down below here. If you want to know about how to trade every single day with your own mobile phone or your laptop, you can easily join our official channel that I'm actually trying to grow, and we're going to be sharing update there every single time. All right, so this is a spot where you can basically use some simple tools on this particular CX.io app right here, and you can use that to navigate your ways to easily trade with your own account. All right, so this is currently on the 1 hour time frame. If I reduce this to over the 5 minutes time frame, let's go over to 15 minutes time frame right over here. If I scroll in a little bit right here, you're going to notice right here that there has been a consistent movement on the chart, and it is showing consolidation, right? So if I want to actually do a simple quick scalping on this particular trade right over here, you're going to notice right here that this is a structure which is being broken. And if we come down right over here, you're going to notice that this is a change of character that is being formed right below here. All right, so after forming a change of character right below here, then you can notice that it reversed back up again to clear out all the liquidity at the top right over here. All right, so after clearing out this liquidity, all right, which you can basically see right from here, all right, and then there was a huge reverse to the downside, and after that there has not been any move to go up back to clear out this previous liquidity. So what we're going to be noticing from here is a little bit drop down to the downside to clear down this line which I just marked. All right, so if a little bit drop down to the downside, that means you're going to be expecting a buy real soon. So this is just like a quick scalp. You can actually use your eye to see from the market and have a clear understanding. All right, now this is something that you can actually learn from our channel. Now if you do not know how to basically follow us on our channel, this is what you're going to be doing. Just click on the link I'm providing for you guys. All right, so this is basically our channel. This was the BTC trade that I entered, and it was very interesting. This was a signal that I dropped in the channel, and you can basically get any other info right from here. All right, so every single trade that I actually trade are going to be dropped on the channel, and you can basically use either CX.io or any other exchange to basically go into those trades and make profit for yourself. Make sure to follow in on the channel right now, and you're going to be getting free signals 100% free. I can teach you how to basically flip at least a minimum of over $5 to about $30. All right, if that's going to be helpful to you, give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Now back to the video. On this pod, you can see right here that we have an option to long this, but since it's actually up to this extent already, all right, what we're going to be doing is to wait for it to actually drop. All right, and then we can actually take out a simple trading strategy that I'm going to be explaining to you guys in my next video concerning this particular pair. Then I'm going to show you guys what to basically do and how you can apply this to your own account. Stay tuned. If you're watching this video, make sure to join the video, and also make sure to click on the bell icon, subscribe, and stay tuned guys. Peace out.